Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The hotel portion of Caesar's Palace includes multiple towers constructed over several decades, each adding new rooms and architectural features while maintaining the classical Roman identity. The Augustus, Palace, Octavius, Forum, and Julius Towers each reflect different eras of development, and together they form one of the largest luxury hotel complexes in the city. The design incorporates Roman-inspired elements such as column motifs, decorated cornices, and stone-like façade treatments that unify the towers despite being built at different times. Inside, the grand staircases are among the most visually striking architectural features. These sweeping stairs use wide steps, curved balustrades, and marble-style materials to evoke the ceremonial staircases of classical palaces. The staircases often serve as central connectors between major levels, creating a sense of arrival as guests move deeper into the resort. Their placement within larger open atriums emphasizes their grandeur, reflecting the influence of Roman public architecture where stairways were designed as focal points. In addition to the stairs, the hotel lobby and adjoining corridors feature sculptural pieces inspired by classical Roman figures, as well as decorative panels depicting scenes drawn from antiquity. These design elements appear throughout the wings of the hotel, reinforcing the identity of Caesar's Palace as a unified classical environment. The pool complex, although not the focus of this script, contributes to the same theme. The colonnades, pedestals, and ornamental urns found throughout the grounds echo the architectural vocabulary used inside the hotel. Even the landscaping continues this aesthetic, with symmetrical arrangements of plants guiding the lines of sight towards statues and water features. The hotel section also includes functional spaces such as ballrooms, lounges, and meeting rooms, designed to blend modern resort amenities with classical influence. While the interiors use contemporary materials, the overall form, arched entries, patterned flooring, and sculptural details maintain the thematic consistency. Taken together, the hotel towers and grand staircases represent how Caesar's Palace extended its Roman theme beyond the casino and public areas into the vertical architectural structure of the resort. The result is a large-scale environment that uses ancient inspiration to shape one of the most recognizable hotel identities on Las Vegas Strip.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.